Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from CJ Affiliate to Payoneer easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your CJ Affiliate account. Locate the Payments tab on the dashboard. Click on Payment History from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see your available earnings. Ensure that your payment method is set to Payoneer. If it's not, navigate to the account settings. Select payment information from the options provided. Look for the section labeled Payment Method. Choose Payoneer from the list of available options. You may need to enter your Payoneer account details. Make sure all the information is correct to avoid issues. Once verified, save your settings. Return to the Payment History page. Find the option to request a withdrawal. Click on Request Payout or similar wording. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the transaction details are accurate. Submit your payout request. You will receive a confirmation of your request via email. Keep an eye on your Payoneer account for the incoming funds. Check back on your CJ Affiliate account for the status of your withdrawal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.